Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create typography design in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of the artboard size. Add the black fill color to it. Go to the Object menu, and lock. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Apply the white color to it. And change its font to Go Bold Regular. Hold the Alt key, and create a copy of it. And type other text. Select all the text, go to the File menu Script and then Text block. Use these settings. And hit OK. Go to the Object menu, and expand them. And do the center align. Now, go to the Line tool and draw a line. Apply the white outline to it. And stroke weight to 3. Hold the Alt key, and create a copy it. And place it where you want. Select the lines, go to the Edit menu, and click on Copy. Now select all, go to the Pathfinder panel and click on the Divide button. Then paste in front the copied lines. Double-click on text, to enter isolation mode. Select the Magic Wand tool, and select the white color. Go to the Edit menu and click on Cut. Press Ctrl+A, and delete the remaining parts. Go back to the Edit menu and paste in front. Hold Shift key, and select Center text of the lines. And change its fill to outline. Set stroke weight to 3. And change the color of the center text. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.